Very good. So we are still on episode 1, part 6. We are handling one of the properties of binary operation. So we are targeting commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. When we say commutative property, we say that an operation, either star, triangle, or whatever, is said to be commutative on the condition that A star B should be equal to B star A. So what I've done here is A star B, I've turned it. Instead of writing A, I've put here what? B. So it's B star A. On this condition, then we are saying that the operation you are dealing with or you are performing, the operation you are dealing with is what? Commutative. Okay, let us use the property of commutative in solving this example 1. An operation triangle is defined on a set of raw numbers R by A triangle B equal to A plus B plus 2AB, and we've been asked that we have to show that the operation, this operation triangle, is commutative. So we are proving that the operation triangle can be what? Commutative. So what you are going to do is, because we are targeting what? Commutative, then we say that for commutative, what is the condition for commutative? A triangle B, because we are dealing with operation sign triangle. So A triangle, for A triangle B to be commutative, then we can say that B triangle A. In this case, then we are saying that this is commutative. So we are going to prove with the given formula to show whether it is commutative. All right. So watch here. A triangle B, in the very formula, our A is A, our B is B. So we are putting in A plus B plus 2AB. Then we call this equation 1 because we consider the left hand side. This is the left hand side, so this is A triangle B. So meaning in the formula A plus B plus 2AB. This was what we were given in the question. Alright. To consider the right hand side, this is our right hand side, which is what? B triangle A. So when you compare this with the general formula in the question, meaning our A is B and our B is now A. If you have to compare it very well, because we have considered the right hand side of the equation, which is B triangle A. So when you match this with that of what we are seeing here, it means our A is now B and our B is now A. So we are going to substitute B and A into the formula. So what here is going to be B, because you said your A is now B here. So B plus A plus 2BA, equation 2. So when you compare equation 1 with equation 2, equating equation 1 and equation 2, we had equation 1 to be what? A plus B plus 2AB equal to equation 2. We had equation 2B to be B plus A plus 2BA. So you could see that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side because we have A, B, because addition is commutative. So A plus B is the same as B plus A. And multiplication is also commutative. A, B is the same as B, A. So you could see that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. Then we can say that, so this is what we mark, the conclusion. Since A triangle B is equal to B triangle A, because we have the B triangle B as this and the A triangle B as that. So since A triangle B is equal to B triangle A, then the operation, what operation are we dealing with? Are we working under the operation, because we are dealing with operation triangle? Then we can say that operation triangle is commutative. Then the operation triangle is commutative. So it's very simple. We've been able to prove that the operation triangle is commutative by consider the condition for commutative. A triangle B. Okay, watch it. If it happens to be that we were using two real numbers, which is M star and I said M circle N. For M circle N to be commutative, then it's supposed to be N circle M. Are you getting the idea? Good. Because M circle N, for it to be commutative, then to your right hand side, this M should start and your M will follow. So it's going to be N circle N. Then you solve for the left. After you are done, then you solve for your right hand side. So when you check the left answer and that of the right answer, if it happens that the two answers are what? The same, then we can say that the operation you are working under is what? Commutative. But for our case here, it was given to us as what? A triangle B. For it to be commutative, then you have to write it as B triangle A. That is the condition for commutative property. Let's move on with episode 1, still on part 7. So we are now done with the part 6. Let's work another example. Apart from the example 1, let's solve another question related to the commutative property. Very good.